the Schaefer 3345. It's a German-built pivot steer machine. As you can see, we're quite high up. It's quite a thin machine. Gives you great visibility all around actually. You've got open sides, great for in the shed. Because it's a pivot steer, obviously it's very good for manoeuvrability. All the controls are on the, for the boom are on the right hand joystick as usual. But your hydraulics are on this auxiliary lever here, which is okay, but could be doing with being on the joystick. It's got a hydro gearbox. Obviously the 2-speed rocker is on the side of the joystick. It's got quite a light throttle, which is great when you're trying to get somewhere, but on rough ground it can be a little bit jumpy. Definitely not lacking in power, and no problems with traction. It's a very stable machine on the flats, and because it pivots horizontally as well as vertically, it feels fairly stable for its height all round. We're in the JCB Robot 180. It's the usual skid steer get-up, like climbing into a high chair. But unusually, JCB have adopted a different drive setup. This is your forward, reverse, left and right shuttle. Unlike the usual tank format with the 2 levers either side, you can have it configured in this way if you're particularly used to the more usual skid steer controls. Your right hand joystick is all your boom controls with proportional auxiliary toggle switch here for operation of the muck grab. It's very nippy and very mobile, obviously, because it's a skid steer. A good feature of this particular model is a foot throttle rather than the more traditional hand throttle.